Hi, I'm Dr. Randy Hansbrough. I specialize in helping people with brain disorders like ADD and ADHD. A common question I'm asked is, can ADD, ADHD be reversed or cured? ADD and ADHD can absolutely be improved significantly. When we uncover the hidden reasons for the brain's neurochemistry to lose its normal balance and efficiency of performance, we can take drug-free actions to correct and balance the brain, leading to peace and calm again. Contact my office today to schedule your consultation, and be sure to ask how you can attend a free seminar to learn more about helping unresolved ADD and ADHD disorders. Thank you.